Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the PT Conference for Five Civil Works and One Tools. May 15, 2026. To start with, please all stand for a prayer. Let's pray. We have discovered from education. We have international opportunity to undertake life in the culture of specialist. Please find us for our nights. What I found in the operations. Never let our life change on this. Father, as well as members, especially the student of the departments, like us that discussions. Like an opportunity to create a today. Even at your base of the layer, you are false experiment. Let your branch for branching project with a genetic law, which will be very low. For which just the same in and after about two is introduced and ready for this morning activity.
I think this was this one activity. We have here our back person, Engineer Tabiano, back vice chairperson, Engineer Ortiz, for back member, Engineer Ivy Solieta, Engineer Giovanni Servano, and Miss Joy Spar. For DPWH, Engineer Mark Joseph Dallas, for Rock Secretariat, First Story, by Villanueva, and Mr. Iniesta. And we don't have any prospect that, kasi tati lang kasi because that's all we got.
Contract ID 26 GDE 08, PR number 2026-04-007, procurement of various materials for use in the repair and maintenance of national roads along Guimaras Circumferential and Central Roads, this district, located at San Miguel Jordan, Guimaras, with an ADC of 7,802,947 pesos and 78 centavos. Source of fund MOOE FY 2026. Contract duration of 45 calendar days and the cost of leading documents 10,000 pesos. Please read the documents comprising the bid, technical component envelope, legal documents, valid project registration certificate, site registration or DPI registration certificate, mayor's or business permit, and tax clearance. For technical documents, statement of ongoing government-private contracts, statement of bidder single largest completed contracts similar to the contract, original copy of bid security, notarized bid security declaration, technical specifications, origin, original duly signed omnibus sworn statement, and income tax return. For financial documents, suppliers audited financial statement, computation of net financial contracting capacity, duly signed joint venture agreement if applicable. For financial component envelope, price, schedule of goods, and summary of bid prices. All documents shall be printed in A4 format, tab and bounded. Please attach the bidding documents and the technical component of your bid. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass-fail criterion as specified in the implementing rules and regulation of RA 12009. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders from May 2026 to May 28, 2026 at this office, or you may visit this website www.budgetfor.gov.ph and www.dpwh.gov.ph for payment of the applicable fees for bidding documents pursuant to the latest guidelines issued by GPPP. Bids must be duly received by the Bank Secretariat through manual submission at second floor, bidding room, DPWH Guimaras District Engineering Office, San Miguel Huerdan, Guimaras, on or before May 28, 2026, 9 a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms in the amount stated in ITB Clause 16.1. Contract ID 26 GE 0020, road safety, roadway lightings, installation and application of road safety facilities, roadway lighting along Central Road, San Miguel-Constancia-Cabano-Igcawayan, with on kilometer 57 plus 096 to kilometer 60 plus 325, located at Constancia, San Lorenzo, Guimaras, with an APC of 15,844,640 pesos. Source of funds, General Appropriations Act, FY 2026, with contract duration of 78 calendar days, 48 calendar days, with a cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. The scope of works for 26 GE 0020, DPWH standard specifications for highways, bridges, and airports, Volume 2. Part B, other general requirements. Part C, earthworks. Part D, sub-base and base course. Part E, surface courses. Part F, bridge construction. Part G, drainage and slope protection structures. And Part H, miscellaneous structures. The major categories of works for 26 GE 0020, TEMS, Traffic Engineering and Management System, including road safety devices. Similar categories of works, TEG, Traffic Engineering Guardrails, TEP, Traffic Engineering Pavement Markings, TEP, DASP, Traffic Engineering Profile Markings, TEP, DAS-H, and DAS-S, Traffic Engineering Pavement Stars, TES, Traffic Engineering Signalization, TEA, Traffic Engineering Signage. Qualifiers must have completed planning, signalization, traffic signs, road furniture, barricades, highway, road lighting. The required pickup license for 26 GE 0020 are as follows. Size range, medium A, license category B, single largest project about 15 million up to 75 million, allowable range of contract cost up to 150 million pesos. For contract ID 26 GE 0021, road widening, Guimaras Circumferential Road S00028GR, kilometer 6 plus 592 to kilometer 6 plus 799, located at Poblacion, Hordan, Guimaras, with an ABC of 3,702,440 pesos. Source of funds, General Appropriations Act, FY 2026. With contract duration of 48 calendar days, cost of bidding documents 5,000 pesos. The scope of works for 26 GE 0021, DPWH standard specifications for highways, bridges, and airports, Volume 2. Part B, other general requirements. Part C, earthworks. Part D, sub-base and base course. Part E, surface courses. Part bridge construction, Part G, drainage and slope protection structures, Part H, miscellaneous structures. Major categories of works for 26 GE 0021, RCP roads construction, PCCP. Similar categories of works, RRP roads rehabilitation, PCCP. RCTP roads construction tunnel, PCCP. Qualifiers must have completed reconstruction and reblocking, including base course covering 50% of the item of the work of the project, may include airport runways, taxiways, and aprons. The required pickup license for 26 GE0021 are as follows. Size range, small b, license category C and D, single largest project less than or equal to 15 million, allowable range of contract cost up to 30 million pesos. For contract ID 26GE0022, road safety, roadway lighting installation, application of road safety facilities, roadway lighting along Guimaras Circumferential Road, kilometer 96 plus negative 050 to 106 plus 000. Location at Poblacion of Valencia Guimaras with an ABC of 41,777,400 pesos. Source of Fund General Appropriations Act FY 2026. Contract duration 119 calendar days. With the cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. The scope of works for 26GE0022 DPWH Standard Specifications for Highways, Bridges, and Airports, Volume 2. Part B, Other General Requirements. Part C, Earthworks. Part F, Bridge Construction. Part G, Drainage and Slope Protection Structures. Part H, Miscellaneous Structures. DPWH Standard Specifications for Public Works Structure, Volume 3. Part L to C, drainage work. Major categories of works for 26GE0022. PEMS, Traffic Engineering and Management System, including road safety devices. Similar categories of works, TEG, Traffic Engineering Guardrails. TEP, Traffic Engineering Pavement Markings. TEP does P, Traffic Engineering Profile Markings. TEP does S, Traffic Engineering Pavement Studs. TES, Traffic Engineering Signalization. TEA, Traffic Engineering Signage. Qualifiers must have completed channelization, signalization, traffic signs, road furniture, barricades, highway, road lighting. The required pickup license for 26GE0022 are as follows. Size range, small b, license category C and D, single largest project less than or equal to 15 million pesos, allowable range of contract cost up to 30 million pesos.
For contract ID 26GE0023, construction of road slope protection structure, Guimaras Circumferential Road S00028GR, kilometer 6 plus 582 to kilometer 6 plus 752, kilometer 97 plus 58 to kilometer 97 plus 155, kilometer 97 plus 245 to kilometer 97 plus 325, and kilometer 100 plus 00 to kilometer 100 plus 142, located at Poblacion Nueva Valencia, Concordia Norte, Springan, and Poblacion Mordan, with an approved budget for the contract of 32,698,680 pesos. The source of funds, General Appropriations Act FY 2026, contract duration of 202 calendar days, and cost of the documents 25,000 pesos. Contract ID 26GE0024, construction of road slope protection structure, Guimaras Circumferential Road S00038GR, kilometer 95 plus 264 to kilometer 95 plus 568, located at Poblacion Nueva Valencia, Guimaras, with an approved budget for the contract of 20,902,420 pesos. Source of funds, General Appropriations Act GAI 2026 with a contract duration of 216 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. The scope of works for 26 GE 0023 and 26 GE 0024. DPWH standard specifications for highways, bridges, and airports. Volume 3. Part B, other general requirements. Part C, airport. Part F, bridge construction. Part G, drainage and slope protection structures. And Part H, miscellaneous structures. Major categories of works for 26 GE 0023 and 26 GE 0024. RCSPS, roads, construction, slope protection and structural measures, revetment, retaining structures, track netting, concrete grid, shotcrete, MSE walls, gabions, riprap, and masonry. Similar categories of works, FCSPS, flood control, construction slope protection, and structural measures. FCBPS, flood control, construction bank protection structure. FCSP, flood control, construction shore protection, seawall, breakwater. Qualifiers. Bidder must have completed at least one contract that is similar to the following works, among others: stone masonry, retaining wall, grounded riprap, and geocentric. And number 2, similar slope protection works with at least 50% of the items of work of the project. The required pickup license for 26G0023 and 26G0024 are as follows. Size range, medium A. License category B. Single largest project above 15 million pesos up to 75 million pesos. Allowable range of contract costs up to 150 million pesos. For the general conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specifications, drawings, and bill of quantities are included in the Future's website and the DPWH website. These are the documents comprising the bid. For legal documents, field checks registration, SEC registration or TTI registration, mayor's permit, and tax clearance. For technical documents requirements, statement of ongoing contracts, statement of bidder's single largest completed contracts, pickup license or special pickup joint venture license, bid security, organizational chart, list of contractors' major equipment, list of contractors' minimum materials testing equipment, omnibus sworn statement, ITR and financial statement, and FCC computation, and valid joint venture agreement if applicable. For the financial documents requirements, financial bid form, bill of quantities, detailed estimates including summary sheet, quarterly monthly cash flow, and payments schedule. All documents shall be printed in A4 format, double bounded. Please attach the bidding documents in the technical component of your bid. For bids to be submitted electronically or online, the following procedure should be observed following DEO 87 series of 2020. Submission of electronic official receipt of purchase of the bidding documents, confirmation of the electronically submitted official receipt, preparation and submission of an electronic bid, modification of an electronic bid, non-participation in the bidding, withdrawal of electronic bid, opening of the electronic bid, and final convention in case of a joint venture bidder.
Bid opening for 26 GE 0020, 26 GE 0021, 26 GE 0022, 26 GE 0023, and 26 GE 0024 shall be on May 28, Thursday, 9 a.m. at second floor bidding room DPWH Guimaras District Engineering Office, San Miguel-Constancia Guimaras. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend. Late bids shall not be accepted. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BTS. Bids must be duly received by the box secretariat for manual submission or at electronic bids_Guimaras at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before May 28, 2026 at 9 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Clause 16. Clarification.
Ang sa 2060 is 0020 kag ang sa 2060 is 0022. Ang ato lang road lighting. Lighting, sorry. Lighting. Ang ato nga major is tali ang atong sila mga included na lang. Kaya dapat ang iyang major category is EWCRSD. Electrical work, construction road, safety. Safety system, sample given, solar leads, street lights, solar studs, and signal station. Ang general category of works, PEMS, para sa masulog na sa mga similar.
Masimilar ang EMS.
Ang major is EWCRSA. Ibig na lang.
Ako na ang
Ang dua, ang sa dua road lighting.
Diba? Still waiting. Still waiting.
Since all the activity is complete, I hereby declare adjourned this meeting. Thank you. Trust me, I get it.